In the previous class, you have learned about the parts of writer window. So we started with title bar, then menu bar, then toolbar, then ruler, then scroll bar, work area and status bar. So we have discussed about all these topics. So now in this class, you're going to learn about menu bar. The menu bar is below the title bar and it has various menus and various options. So in this class, you're going to learn about file menu and edit menu. So about these two menus and its options, you'll be learning in detail. So let's start with new document. So open LibreOffice and select writer document. Okay, this is writer application and at the top we do have title bar. And the right corner you have control buttons, that is minimize, maximize and close button. You can see the name there, that is restore button, minimize button and the last one is close button. And below that we do have menu bar, that is first one is file menu and these are the options. So to create new document, Ctrl+N is used from keyboard. And then comes the second option, open. So simply make a click on it. Immediately open dialog box appears. So this is used to open the existing file. You can search for the file and you can simply select it and make a click on open so that the existing file will be opened. So now let us see the next option in file menu, that is save. We do have save and save as. So save and save as, there is a small difference. Save as dialog box appears every time for save as option. You can search for the location and you can set the file name and then you can save the file. So this is what you have learnt in the previous class. You can also enable the menus using shortcut key. Alt+F gives you file menu. You can see the word, it is underlined, F is underlined, so the shortcut key is Alt+F. Similarly, the next menu is edit menu. Alt+E gives you edit menu. And now it's time to learn about edit menu, cut, copy, paste, paste special. All this comes in edit menu. So let's learn how to edit the document. First step, we have to enter text. You can see the vertical bar on the screen and it is called as insertion point. So as we type, the insertion point moves from left margin to right margin. So here we have entered text. Now let us move on to edit menu. In edit menu, we do have the options undo typing and redo typing. And we do have cut, copy, paste. These are the frequently used options and we do have paste special option also. So let's start the editing process. Step 2, we have to select the text. You can select the text using keyboard. Press and hold shift key and use arrow key to select the text. So you can see the selected text, it is highlighted. You do have another way of selecting text, that is simply click and drag and drop using mouse. So selection is done with the help of keyboard or with the help of mouse. Step 3. Select edit menu and proceed with the options. Here we do have cut option and copy option. So let us see the difference between cut and copy. First we'll proceed with cut. So if you select cut option, the selected text will disappear from the source and just press enter so that the cursor comes down. Now go back to edit menu and select paste option. So here the selected text disappears from the source and it will be placed only in the destination. This is what moving the text. Cut and paste option is used to move the text. So now let us learn about undo typing. This option is used to erase the last changes done in the document. How many times you want to go back to the previous step, that many times you have to enable this undo option and the shortcut key is Ctrl+Z. So simply press Ctrl+Z option. It helps to erase the last change done in the document, reverting it to the older state. And now let us learn how to copy and paste the text. For all the action, we have to select the text and then go to edit menu, select copy option. Now the text is copied and it is stored in the clipboard. You can select the destination, simply press enter on the document and then paste it. You can use the keyboard shortcut key to paste the text, that is Ctrl plus V. And once copying is enough, it will be stored in the temporary memory, that is clipboard, and you can paste it for multiple times. Simply press Ctrl V to paste the text again and again. There is a difference between paste and paste special option. So let's see what is paste special option, which is given in edit menu. Select edit menu and go to paste special option. You will get sub option and select paste special sub option. Immediately you will get the dialog box. In this you have to select dynamic data exchange DDE link and just give OK, so that the data will be pasted on the document. So now you can see the pasted data. So in this process you can see the source data can be pasted into the destination as a linked or live copy of the original. Any changes made in the source will immediately reflect in the destination. So this is what dynamic data exchange. You can see the immediate reflection on the copy. So you have learned how to create a document and edit a document. Now let's try this workshop. Open a new document in OpenOffice Writer and type the following paragraph. And finally, save and close the document. Okay, now let's open a new document, OpenOffice Writer. And then start typing the paragraph. You will start from left margin. As you type, the cursor will reach the right margin and automatically it enters to the new line and it starts typing from left margin. So this is the process for typing a paragraph. At the end, keep full stop and you can press enter. So this was the task given. We have to type the paragraph and then we have to save the file. To save the file, go to File menu and Save option. Set the location for the file and then change the file name and then simply make a click on Save button. And then finally close the application. Task 2. We have to open the created document and append the following paragraph. After that, we have to save the document. Okay, now let's learn how to open the existing file. Now open LibreOffice. You will get Star Center window. In that you have to select Open Files. Now search for the existing file. Search in the particular location where you have saved and then select the file. Just make a click on Open. And now you can see the existing document. Yes, this is what we have typed. So now let us start the next paragraph. Simply press enter and continue with the paragraph. So just look at the textbook and type the given paragraph. And after completing this paragraph, you have to use delete or backspace key to remove the last line of the first paragraph. And then you have to type these two lines as a new paragraph. In that paragraph, you have to add the word vision in between the words "a" and "and." So let's do it. Place the cursor at the end of first paragraph and simply press backspace key from the keyboard. Backspace key will delete the characters left side of the insertion point. So you have to use this key until you delete the entire line. Or you can use delete key to delete the characters. So delete key will delete the characters right side of the insertion point. So you have to place the insertion in front of the line and then use the delete key. You can see the difference. So now look at the book and type the third paragraph. So mistakes will be highlighted with a squiggly line. So you have to correct the mistakes if you identify it. So now let's insert the word vision between "a" and "and." So simply place the cursor and type the word. And if the sentence is correct, the squiggly line disappears. So after editing all the text, you can save the file. Simply go to File menu and make a click on Save. So this is all about the part 1 of chapter 6, that is File menu and Edit menu.